Hello, I'm David Campbell, and this is Henan Landa, and we're going to talk to you about VoIP systems. Voice over IP uses the internet to take voice signals and transmits them in much the way that our classic phone systems do with the traditional switching technology. Talk to me a little bit about VoIP and its emergence as one of the technologies that we should be talking about.
I think the market is beginning to emerge. We're seeing a lot of vendors come into this space and say, hey, we're not just a regular phone system vendor, we can do VoIP. And I think it's confusing, and I think it's tough to drill down and figure out what is a VoIP system and do we need one?
Okay, well that's a very good point, and leads into my next question here. I have a phone system.
Right.
Why do I need this brand new technology?
Right. So first of all, you may not. What's happening though with a lot of our clients is because we had tough economic times and the phones were working just fine, they just kept them. But there's two kinds of VoIP systems.
Okay. Voice
over IP. One is very similar to the way we've always done phone systems, is you have the switch, the VoIP switch, if you will, in your office. Okay, so all the handsets, it's all digital technology, and it's all use IP technology, so it is a VoIP system. And you run phone lines from the outside world into your office, and everything works just like you're kind of used to, where you build it all up yourself.
Right.
The second kind, and what most people are talking about, is hosted VoIP. And hosted VoIP means that some other company, the provider, the VoIP provider, has built out a big switching network, and they're going to give you your phone system, but they're going to keep the switches back in their office. So you don't have to buy anything except for the actual handsets.
Okay.
And then you're just paying a per monthly fee for this hosted VoIP service. So that's kind of appealing to people, that they don't have to buy their own machinery.
Okay, so we've determined that it's something we want to explore. What are some of the drawbacks, and what are some of the things I can expect that are going to improve with this system versus what I have now?
One of the improvements is that it's new technology. So you're going to get a lot of these features that everyone's interested in, like visual voicemail, and voicemail goes into email, and you can use your iPad as a phone, and you can use your laptop as a phone. You can go anywhere and log into the phone system. A lot of mobility features, work from home features. Those are some of the things that you can get right out of the box with these technologies without having to put it together.
Okay, that sounds exciting.
It is exciting.
That sounds exciting.
It's nice. The disadvantages, and the thing to worry about the most, in my opinion, is call quality. And can the system be sophisticated enough to handle your business needs? So this is where you have to start really vetting the providers and what they're offering. Are they going to run an internet circuit between your office and the switch, where they house the switch? Or are they just going to throw it out over the general internet? But ultimately, where's the attention to call quality? And do we know if it's going to be good? This is my biggest concern. I've seen it happen where with the wrong VoIP provider, you get missed calls, you get dropped calls, you get garbled calls, and it's almost like running your business over Skype. And that's why it's very important to do a technical deep dive into the solution that the hosted VoIP provider is offering.
Give me your gut about this.
If it's time to upgrade your phone system, you want to be looking at this very seriously. And you probably want to get some help. If you're our client, you want to get some help from us in reviewing it and making sure it's really going to fit your business needs, because that's what it's all about.
There you have it. If you wanted more information or you have additional questions, give us a call.